In this video, we're gonna learn how to fix Cash App card not working. If your Cash App card is not working, it could be due to various reasons such as technical issues, account problems, or card-related issues. But do not worry at all, here are some steps you can take to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. Whenever you receive this Cash App not working status on your Cash App application, you'll first need to enter and check the card details correct. Make sure that the details that you've entered is correct, including the card number, expiry date, CVV, and zip code. Also make sure that the card that you are using is not expired. If you find it to be expired, you'll need to reorder a new card through the Cash App. So the next thing to do is to check your funds availability. Always ensure that you have enough sufficient balance in your Cash App account to cover the transaction that you are attempting. If your Cash App account doesn't have enough balance, then you won't be able to use your Cash App card and make any kind of a transaction, so always make sure that you have sufficient funds. The next thing to do is to check for your internet connection. Make sure you have the stable internet connection to make a transaction on Cash App, since Cash App transactions requires an internet connection to process. If the problem still persists, then you can also restart the application. Simply close the Cash App application entirely by bringing up this Cash App card and sliding it upwards. Make sure to close off any other application that is running on the background as well, and the simple solution and the simple step can restart your application and resolve minor glitches. Now go ahead and tap open Cash App application again and see if that fixes the issue. If the problem still continues, then the next thing to do is to update your Cash App. Go ahead and open up your App Store or your Play Store and search for Cash App. Make sure to update the latest version of Cash App if available by looking for the update button. And once you update the application, you might be able to fix the issue. Remember that if you've not yet verified your Cash App account, then you will not be able to make any kind of a transaction, so your card might not work in that situation. So always make sure to verify your account right after you create a Cash App account. To verify your account, go and click on your profile icon at the top right hand corner and then go to personal. And from this page, you can go ahead and enter some of your details, upload your government issued identification documents, and make sure to verify your account in order to process and use your Cash App card. Those were some of the fixes you could try out. If your Cash App card is not working, if you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you soon with another tutorial video. Goodbye till then.